द्विघात समीकरण की ग्राफिकली स्थिति, मतलब उसके मूलों की ग्राफिकली पोजीशन को जानने के लिए 3 एग्जाम्पल से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सपोज लेट फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 में इक्वेशन लेते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 इक्वल्स टू 0. सिंपल इक्वेशन है, फैक्टर हो जाएगा इजीली. x माइनस 2 x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. मीन्स x equals to 1 and x equals to 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. सपोज इसको फंक्शन फॉर्मेट में लिखते हैं y equals to एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x प्लस 2. तो इसमें क्या होगा, जब x को 1 पुट करेंगे देन y इज 0, x को 2 पुट किया देन y इज 0. As we know, the point 1 comma 0 and 2 comma 0 lies on the x-axis. If we plot the graph of y equals to x square minus 3x plus 2, then the graph of this system is like parabola. And position of roots, if x-axis cuts the graph, then these 2 points will be the roots a comma b. It is the point 1 comma 0 and this is the point 2 comma 0. Let another example. Okay, second case we take an example x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Factorize this system. It is x minus 1 equals to 0. Means both roots are identical. If we plot the graph of y equals to x square minus 2x plus 1, then what will happen? The graph of this is the parabola, as we know. Then if x-axis draw, then it only touch at a one point. This point is 1 comma 0. This is the root, and this system is called for repeating roots, identical roots. Both roots are here. If we take the another and last example, x square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Then as we know, the roots of this equation is imaginary because the d is negative. What is the d? D is the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is b square minus 4ac, and it is b square minus 4 times 1 into 3. What is this? 4 minus 12, it is minus 8. As we know, if discriminant is negative, roots are imaginary. And for imaginary roots, how we can plot on real axis? It is not possible. Then what will be the graph of y equals to x square plus 2x plus 3? The graph of x square plus 2x plus 3 again is a parabola. Then what is the position of roots? Now in this condition, x-axis passes through below this graph. This is the x-axis and there are imaginary roots, no intersection. Okay, and this is basic of nature of roots, how we can judge the roots on x-axis. We can easily find if the x-axis cuts the graph of fx at 2 distinct points, then roots are distinct and unequal. If the x-axis touches the graph, then roots are equal, and this is also called condition of tangency. This is condition of tangency, and this is the system when there is no real roots. No intersection means there is no real roots. Roots are imaginary, and imaginary things cannot occur on a real axis. Okay, thanks. This is basic all about the roots on the graph.